In today's video, I'll show you how to translate messages in Microsoft Teams. This feature is extremely helpful when you're working with teammates from different countries or collaborating across language barriers, letting you understand messages instantly without leaving the conversation. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and look at the navigation panel on the left side of the screen. From there, click on Chat. This will open your messaging area where all of your conversations are listed. Next, browse through your chats and open the conversation that contains the message you want to translate. This can be a private chat or a group conversation. Once you're inside the chat, locate the specific message you'd like to translate. When you find it, right-click directly on that message. A menu will appear with several options related to that message. From the menu, select Translate. You may see a prompt asking you to confirm the action. Click Translate again to continue. Microsoft Teams will then automatically convert the message into your default language or the language set in your Teams preferences. The translated text will appear immediately, either replacing the original message or showing alongside it, depending on your settings. This allows you to quickly understand the message without interrupting the flow of the conversation. And that's it. You've successfully translated a message in Microsoft Teams, making communication easier and more effective when working with people who speak different languages. This feature is especially useful for global teams, international clients, and cross-border collaboration. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.